Hello everyone, TJ Tennant, the Tyre Guy. I wanted to talk to you today about properly repairing a passenger or light truck tire. We're going to talk about repairing commercial truck tires in a different video, but today, passenger and light truck tire repairs for the consumer. You guys have probably been guilty, as well as me, before I became the Tyre Guy, of taking one of those rope plugs that you can get from a local convenience store or from Walmart, not even remove the tire from the wheel. Just punch it in there and cut the end off and you're good to go. That is not recommended today. As a matter of fact, that will probably void the warranty but through all of the tire manufacturers that sell tires in the U.S. today. The best way to have your tire repaired is to take it to a local authorized tire repair store or tire sales store so that they can remove the tire from the rim, inspect it internally and externally to make sure that there's no existing damage and the tire is good to be repaired. Also keep in mind that you may void your speed rating on the tire with the repair. That speed rating void is different by manufacturer, so you want to consult whoever your tire manufacturer is to understand exactly what the limitations of your tire are after the repair. But it has to be removed from the wheel to be repaired properly. Also, that repair is going to consist of a patch plug combination, either the little mushroom looking repair or a patch plug combination. You cannot use a rope plug that you can do externally without removing the tire, or even if you remove the tire, you can't do a patch only on the interior. So it must be a proper repair. Those procedures can be found through the USTMA, which is the United States Tire Manufacturers Association, or TMC, the Tire Maintenance Council, or several other bodies out there that will actually allow you to download the instructions on how to repair a tire properly. You can also, again, contact your tire manufacturer and they can get you the proper procedures to repair their product accurately. This is TJ Tennant, the Tyre Guy, wishing all of you peace and love all day.